You've probably tried dozens of productivity apps that promise to change your life. I've spent the last 6 months testing AI tools that professionals actually use daily, and what I found will probably surprise you. It's not about finding one perfect app. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 AI productivity tools that are actually making a difference in how top professionals work. These aren't flashy new releases or overhyped startups. They're tools that have quietly become essential for people who need to manage complex schedules, overwhelming email loads, and scattered workflows. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool solves which problem and how to use them together for maximum impact. Let's start with why traditional productivity tools are failing us in the first place. The scheduling intelligence revolution. Let me tell you about the first tool that's changing everything about how professionals manage their time. Reclaim AI isn't just another calendar app. It's an intelligent scheduling system that actually learns how you work best. Think about your current calendar for a moment. It's probably a chaotic mix of meetings, deadlines, and random blocks of time that never quite work out the way you planned. Most scheduling tools treat every hour the same, but that's not how human productivity actually works. Reclaim AI takes a completely different approach. It analyzes your work patterns, energy levels, and the types of tasks you need to accomplish, then automatically blocks time for your most important work when you're most likely to be productive. The system doesn't just look at when you're free, it considers when you're actually capable of doing your best work. For example, if you're naturally more focused in the morning, it will protect those hours for deep work and push routine meetings to later in the day. What makes this particularly powerful is how it handles the constant interruptions that destroy most people's productivity. When someone requests a meeting, Reclaim AI doesn't just find any available slot. It evaluates whether that time slot aligns with your optimal work patterns and suggests alternatives if it would disrupt important focus time. The tool also automatically reschedules your blocked work time when urgent meetings pop up, ensuring you don't lose those critical hours entirely. This isn't just convenience. It's a fundamental shift toward working with your natural rhythms instead of against them. The email intelligence breakthrough. Now, let's talk about the tool that's solving one of the biggest productivity killers for professionals. Email overload. Superhuman isn't just another email client. It's an AI-powered system that transforms how you process and respond to messages. Most people spend between 2 to 4 hours a day dealing with email, and most of that time is completely wasted on inefficient workflows and decision fatigue. Here's what makes Superhuman different from every other email tool you've tried. The AI doesn't just organize your inbox, it actually learns how you prioritize different types of messages and surfaces, the most important ones first. The system analyzes factors like sender importance, message urgency, and your historical response patterns to create a personalized priority queue. This means you're always working on the emails that actually matter, instead of getting distracted by newsletter confirmations and low-priority updates. But the real magic happens in the response capabilities. Superhuman's AI can draft contextually appropriate replies based on your communication style and the specific situation. It's not generating generic responses, it's learning how you typically handle different types of requests and conversations. For instance, if you frequently receive meeting requests, the AI learns your preferred language for accepting, declining, or proposing alternatives. The tool also includes advanced features like read receipts, send later scheduling, and automated follow-up reminders that work together to create a seamless communication workflow. What professionals love most about Superhuman is how it eliminates the constant context switching that destroys deep work. Instead of checking email throughout the day, you can process everything efficiently in dedicated blocks, knowing that the AI has already filtered and prioritized everything according to your specific needs and working style. The workflow orchestration game changer. The third tool that's revolutionizing professional productivity tackles the biggest challenge of all, managing multiple projects and workflows without losing track of anything important. Akiflow isn't just a task manager, it's a comprehensive workflow orchestration platform that brings together all your scattered productivity tools into one intelligent system. Most professionals are juggling tasks across email, project management software, calendars, and various collaboration platforms, creating a fragmented workflow that guarantees things will fall through the cracks. Akiflow solves this by creating a unified command center for your entire work life. The platform integrates with virtually every tool you're already using, from Slack and Notion to Gmail and Trello, then applies AI to create a coherent view of all your responsibilities and deadlines. But here's where it gets really interesting. The system doesn't just aggregate information, it intelligently prioritizes and schedules your tasks based on deadlines, energy requirements, and available time slots. The AI analyzes patterns in how long different types of tasks actually take you to complete, then provides realistic time estimates for future similar work. This eliminates the chronic problem of underestimating task duration that leads to constantly feeling behind schedule. Akiflow also automatically identifies potential scheduling conflicts and suggests optimizations before they become problems. For example, if you have 3 high-energy tasks scheduled for the same afternoon, the system will flag this and suggest spreading them across different days. What makes this tool particularly valuable for professionals is its ability to adapt to changing priorities in real time. When urgent projects emerge or deadlines shift, Akiflow automatically reorganizes your entire workflow to accommodate the changes while ensuring nothing gets forgotten. The platform maintains a comprehensive audit trail of all your work, making it easy to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and continuously optimize your productivity systems based on actual performance data rather than guesswork. After extensively testing these 3 tools, here's what I've learned about AI-powered productivity. The real breakthrough isn't in any single tool. It's in how these tools work together to create an intelligent productivity ecosystem that adapts to your specific working style and challenges. Reclaim AI handles the foundational layer of time management, ensuring your calendar supports rather than sabotages your productivity. Superhuman eliminates the communication overhead that consumes so much mental energy throughout the day. And Akiflow orchestrates everything else, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks while maintaining clear priorities. The key insight is that each tool solves a different piece of the productivity puzzle. Traditional productivity advice often fails because it treats all work as the same, but these AI tools recognize that different types of work require different approaches and different mental states. They don't just help you work faster, they help you work more intelligently by aligning your tasks with your natural rhythms and cognitive capabilities. What impresses me most is how these tools actually learn and improve over time. Unlike static productivity systems that require constant manual maintenance, these AI-powered platforms become more effective the longer you use them. They develop increasingly sophisticated models of your work patterns, preferences, and optimal productivity conditions, then use those insights to make better recommendations and automations. The truth is, productivity isn't about finding the perfect system. It's about finding tools that adapt to how you actually work. These 3 AI tools represent a fundamental shift toward intelligent assistance rather than rigid frameworks. Try them individually first, then gradually integrate them to create a personalized productivity ecosystem that actually supports your best work. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try first.